that's the first thing from Target. Ano na? Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing another haul for you guys. And I have here some clothing, tapos mga homeware. No, not really homeware, but like no. Scrap that. No. Hindi homeware, but like home essential stuff. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna start. Obvious na obvious sa title na haul. So kung ayaw nyo ng haul, then huwag nyo i-click yung video. Simple. Life is so freaking simple, you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna start with the stuff that I got from SHEIN. I will leave their links below. First one is this denim jacket. I've been wanting a denim jacket for a long time, so finally I have one. I wore this in my vlog when I was with Kathy nung pumunta kami ng city, and it actually fits me fine. It's so hard for me to find mga denim jackets or jacket outerwear in general na mag-fit sa akin kasi nga ang liit ko. But this one fits me fine for normal people. What normal people? I mean for people with normal height, yung hindi maliliit na tao. It's supposed to be a little crop, pero sa akin hindi. Hindi siya crop kasi ang liit-liit ko. I actually really do like it, and the quality is really good. It's not super thick denim, but it's also not like super thin, so parang tama lang siya. I really do enjoy that. And then the second one is this jacket right here. So it's a long one. For me, it reaches up to here somewhere. And then the inside is this kind of like leopard print. It keeps me warm. I haven't worn this yet, but I've tried it on and it feels really nice and warm. It has a hoodie and yeah, it's just perfect. Shipping was amazing. It arrived less than a week. Again, links of those clothing will be below. And the next item is from snapmade.com. So Snapmade is basically a website where you can customize mugs, shirts, phone cases, and stuff like that. I got a mouse. As you guys can see, it's customized. So I requested for them to put a picture of me and Dan. So that's me and him, and it's actually really cute. I enjoy using this. It's cool and it has a picture of us, so why not? And I do have a coupon code for you guys if you're interested to buy from snapmade.com. I will leave the code here. You will get 15% off on order over $30. I will also leave the code below if you guys are interested, and also their links. So yeah, that's from Snapmade. And then I also went to Target with Kathy and I got this scarf. This was on clearance. This is only This is only $5, and I don't have any scarf this color. I actually only have two scarves, a black and a gray. And yeah, so this is my third one. It's only $5 and I really like it. It's really soft and it feels really nice on the skin. Oh my gosh, it will look perfect with this top, you guys. Should I wear it now? See, I like that. Next item from Target is the receipt. This leggings. This was only $6, so I decided to get it. This was actually from the girls section, but I'm pretty sure it will fit me because I'm tiny like that. So yeah, only $6. I decided to get this right here. It's a set of like body products. This one is bath salts, tapos body butter, and then bath soap. This one is hand cream, and then I have hand lotion as well. And this one is bath and shower gel. This is originally, 20. This is originally $20, and it was on clearance for only $5, and $5 for all these. Like, you can never go wrong. So yeah, and I originally just wanted hand cream, and this one has like hand cream, lotion, all that ish. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get that. And then I saw this one. This is the antioxidant hand wash with vitamin C, white peach, and cherry flavor, I guess, whatever. This is only $1. I do not know. Oh, this was originally $5. I like it. It's very subtle on the skin, and then yung smell niya hindi overwhelming, like oh my gosh, it's peach. I have been using this actually. It's on our sink area. And I believe that's everything from Target. And then we also went to Kmart, and I just got this because we need some. This was only $2, and I got, I don't know, hundreds of Q-tips in here. And then we also went to Priceline, and I got another Essence lip liner. On my everyday makeup look video, I used the Essence lip liner. That one is in the shade Soft Berry, and I wanted to get another one so I can do a first impression review for you guys. Let me know if you want me to do that, because this one is available in the Philippines, I'm pretty sure. Essence, this is only $2. This one is in the shade Satin Mauve. I'm gonna swatch this for you. Oh, so the shade looks like that. Looks really pretty. Let me know if you want me to do a first impression review, because a lot of you said, oh, I miss your first impression review videos. You should do one. And I went to JJ's. I got a top for Dan, and I don't know where it is. He tried it on, and I think it's in his closet right now, so I don't have it with me. But yeah, I got him a shirt. And then Kathy, oh my gosh, this girl, she bought me an Essie nail polish. And if you've watched my Q&A video, the very recent Q&A video, I mentioned that my favorite shade of nail polish is like a nudish grayish nail polish. This one is exactly like that. So yeah, this is the kind of shade that I really enjoy. And yeah, she got me this. This is in the shade number 77, Kinchili. Yeah, oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Kath. Hindi ko in-expect na bibilhan niya ako kasi we were together sa Priceline, kaming dalawa. And then, magbabayad na ako. Sabi niya, may kukunin lang ako. Tapos ito pala yung kinuha niya. Binili niya para sa akin. Nakakaloka itong babaeng to. Anyway, thank you so much, Kath. She has a channel, you guys. I will leave her channel link below. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like the video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. You guys should subscribe. I checked my analytics or something like that, and like 40% of you who's watching me is not subscribed to my channel. Like, why? Click the subscribe button below. It's the red subscribe button. Please do click it so you get notified of my new videos. I upload every single day, 9 p.m. Australian time, 7:30 Philippines time. And yeah, so that's basically it for this video. Please do let me know if you want me to review this bad boy right here. And yeah, I have nothing to say. So I hope to see you guys on my next one tomorrow. So yeah, do not forget to be good. Bye!